Okay, I'm leaving now.
Wait a minute. You forgot your lunch. I made your favorite chicken sandwich with cheese and tomatoes.
Oh, thank you so much. I almost left without it. You're the best.
What are your plans for today?
First, I need to go to the bank.
The bank? Why? Is everything okay?
Yes, don't worry. I just have to pay two bills, electricity and internet. They are a little late.
Okay, I understand. I'm going to the supermarket later. We need milk, bread, fruit, and maybe some olive oil.
I know. I wrote it all on my list this morning.
What time will you be home?
Maybe around 5 o'clock. I hope not too late.
Me too. Let's cook dinner together tonight. It will be fun.
Sounds good. What do you want to make?
Let's decide later. We can look in a cookbook or just make something simple.
Perfect. Have a good day.
You too. Don't forget your umbrella.
It's not going to rain. The sky is blue today.
You never know. Weather changes fast. Bye. Be careful.
Bye. I love you. Be safe too.
Sarah, is that you? Lisa, oh my God, hi. I can't believe it. How are you? I'm great. What about you? Good. It's a busy day today. You look wonderful. Thank you. You too. How long has it been? 2 years, maybe 3? Too long. We should meet more often. Yes. Do you still live on Pine Street? No, I moved to the east side last year. Oh, that's a nice area. Quiet and green. What are you doing today? Shopping, supermarket, market, so much to do. Busy lady. Let's have coffee this weekend. I'd love that. Saturday? Saturday is perfect. I'll text you the time. Great. So happy I saw you today. Me too. Bye, Lisa. Bye. See you Saturday.
Wait, please. Don't close the door. Sorry, buddy, you just missed your bus. It left 2 minutes ago. Oh no, that's really bad. When is the next one? The next one is me. This is bus 15. But I need bus 42. It goes to Oak Street. Bus 42 comes in 20 minutes. You will wait a long time here. 20 minutes is too long. I have many things to do today. Where are you going exactly? To the bank on Oak Street. I need to pay my bills. I go near there. My last stop is Maple Street. It's only 2 blocks from the bank. Really? Can I get on your bus? Yes, of course. Come in. Sit down. Thank you so much. You are very kind. No problem. That's my job, to help people every day. How much is the ticket? $2, please. Here you go. Thank you again. Sit down, please. We leave in 1 minute. Relax now. You really saved my morning. I was so worried and in a hurry. Don't worry. Everything is okay. Enjoy your day and good luck at the bank.
Good morning. Welcome to our cafe. Table for one?
Yes, please. Can I sit by the window? I like to look outside.
Of course. Here is the menu. Take your time and choose.
Thank you. Everything looks so good. What do you recommend?
Our pancakes are very popular. People come here just for them.
That sounds perfect. I'll have pancakes.
With fruit or with chocolate?
With fruit, please. I like fresh berries.
Great choice. And to drink?
A cappuccino, please.
Do you want sugar in it?
No sugar, just a little milk.
Okay, coming right up.
It smells so amazing in here. I love the smell of fresh coffee and pancakes.
Here you go. Enjoy your breakfast slowly.
Wow, these pancakes look beautiful. Fresh strawberries and blueberries on top?
They are very fresh today from the market. Eat and enjoy.
Delicious. So soft and sweet. Can I have the check, please?
Sure, it's $9.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you need help?
Oh, yes, please. This street is so busy and noisy. The cars go very fast.
Don't worry. I'll walk with you. You can take my arm.
Thank you, young man. You are so kind.
No problem at all. Look, the light is green now. Let's go slowly together.
These cars are going so fast. I'm a little scared.
Don't be scared. I'm right here with you. We will cross safely. Hold my arm tight.
Okay, thank you.
We made it. You're on the other side now.
Thank you so much. You helped me a lot.
You're welcome. Where are you going now?
To the pharmacy. It's around the corner.
I know that place. Turn left here and you will see a blue building. You can't miss it.
Left. Okay. Thank you again.
You're a very nice person too.
My mother always told me, help people when they need it.
Your mother is a smart woman.
She really is. Take care, young man. Have a wonderful day.
God bless you. Goodbye, ma'am.
Oh no, my phone is dead. Battery problem? Yes, only 1%, and now it's off. That's the worst feeling. I need to call my wife. There's a phone store across the street. Do they sell chargers? Yes, portable ones too. That's exactly what I need. They're about $15. Not bad, thank you. Do you need to make a call now? I wanted to text my wife, but it can wait. You can use my phone if you want. Really? That's so kind of you. No problem. Here you go. Thank you. I'll be quick. Done. I told her my phone died. Good. Now go buy that charger. I will. Thank you so much for your help. Mark, hey, over here. Tom, hi. What are you doing here? Walking my dog. And you? Just taking a break. It's a long day. What did you do today? Bank, coffee, bookstore, supermarket. Busy man. Very busy. I'm tired now. Sit down. Rest for a minute on the bench. Good idea. Your dog is cute. Thanks. His name is Buddy. Hi, Buddy. Good boy. He likes you. I bought a cookbook today. For you? For Lisa and me. Italian recipes. Nice. You should cook for the neighbors one day. Let me learn first. I'm not good yet. I'm kidding. I need to go. Buddy is hungry. Okay. See you around, Tom. Bye, Mark. Say hi to Lisa. I will. Bye, Buddy.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Dairy section is in aisle 7, right at the back.
Aisle 7. Thank you very much.
Do you need anything else?
Yes. Where is the bread?
Bread is in aisle 3, near the entrance.
I was just there. I didn't see it.
It's on the left side, low shelf. Sometimes it's hard to find.
This store is so big. I feel lost here.
Yes, many people say that. It's easy to get lost.
I also need olive oil.
Olive oil is in aisle 5, middle section.
And fruit?
Fruit is at the front, by the entrance.
I think I'll get fruit at the market instead. It's fresher there.
Good idea. The market has very fresh fruit every day.
Thank you for all your help. You are very patient.
No problem at all. Have a nice day.
I need a map for this place next time.
You're not the first to say that. Many people ask for one. Good morning. What can I get you today?
A large black coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot. It's a cold morning outside.
Tell me about it. I walked to work today too.
Me too. Bus and then walking. Anything to eat? What muffins do you have?
Blueberry, chocolate, and banana.
Blueberry, please.
Great choice. My favorite too.
How much is everything?
$5.75.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Mark.
Mark. Coffee and muffin ready?
That was fast. Thank you.
We're quick in the morning. Enjoy your coffee and muffin.
This muffin is amazing. See you next time. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Where is the Green Street Market, the fruit market?
Yes, the one with fresh fruit. It's about 10 minutes from here.
Which way do I go?
Go straight on this road for 5 minutes.
Okay, then what?
Turn right at the big church. You can't miss the church.
Right at the church. Got it.
Then walk 2 more minutes.
Is it on the left or right?
On the left, you'll see the colors. Red apples, yellow bananas, everything colorful.
The colors. That's a good sign.
Yes, all the fruit is very colorful. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the market. Buy some fresh strawberries.